Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So I am working tirelessly on the aiomatic plugin, and today I bring you another great update which was suggested by you guys. So if you have more suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. Also, aiomatic is linked in this video description and it is currently discounted, so go ahead guys and check it while the discount lasts, as it will end on Sunday. Okay, so now let's go and I will show you what this latest update will bring and what new features the plugin has. So as you can see, if you were familiar with aiomatic, you can see that the playground was compacted and there are these tabs now where you can go ahead and play with the AI. And also a new menu was added, limits and statistics. The statistics and usage limits will be added here. So to use this new feature, the statistics and usage limits, you will need to go to main settings of the plugin and you will need to check the enable usage tracking for statistics and usage limits checkbox. So this needs to be checked. I currently made this checkbox because the statistics feature of the plugin is somehow in beta, so it is in testing phase, and I did not want to enable this to all users as a plugin, only for those who need this feature of the plugin, so they will be able to follow their usage and spending of OpenAI credits. Okay, so here is the statistics. As you can see, it is not ready yet. The statistics module is not fully working yet. It will be added in upcoming updates. However, the usage limits is fully functional and this will be able to be used by you guys starting from now. So if you want to enable this, go ahead and check also the enable usage limits checkbox from here and add the maximum user credits or maximum gas credits from here. So if you want to limit users to only, for example, 40 queries, so 40 times they call the API, then you can do it like this, or you can limit people to 4,000 tokens or 40,000 tokens, and you can limit to the price in dollars that you pay. So for example, $10 or $5. And here down at the bottom, you will see a progress bar on how this account will be limited based on the settings that you set here. So if you save settings, you will see that usage for this account is 1.6% from the $5 mark that I set here. If we set for example 5,500 tokens, the usage will be 76%. Or if we set 20 queries, 65% per month. So this is how often the counter will be reset. And absolute timer, this time frame will make the process set by day. So if you want to set a specific day or specific week, then you can set this to absolute. Or if you want to set to relative, then the past 24 hours will be considered for a day, or the past 7 days will be considered as a week. If you want to set this to absolute, then it will be per week. So per first week of January, for example, second week, and so on. And also for the month of January, this will be set as absolute. Okay, so full access users, you can set user roles which will have full access to the features of the plugin without considering these limitations. So if you set here admins only, then admins will have full access to the features offered by the plugin, even though they should be limited by the user credit restriction from here. Also, you can set a message to be sent to users which are reaching their usage limit. Also the same for the guests, maximum credits and queries tokens price, time frame, day, week, month, year, absolute and message. Okay, so now let's save this and let me do a quick demonstration. So let's set this to none, so I also will be blocked when my admin account will be also be blocked when I do a new query. So for example, let's go to the playground, as the playground will also be limited by this new feature. And let's do here, for example, the chat. This should, so let's write in the chat hello, and the bot will respond soon with a response. This is quite interesting response. Let's try this again. Hello. Hello there. Yeah, this is much more normal response. Okay, so now let's go back to the limits and statistics, and let's go and block myself. So for example, let's set this to 10 queries only, so my usage will be above the limit, so 150% used, and I will be blocked because I have also here full access for no one. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to the chat and write hello, and now the text will not be generated. So in future updates I will make the message that you set here appear also here in the bottom of the form, as people will be knowing that hey, they are blocked because the usage limit is required. Okay, so this is the limits and statistics feature of the plugin. Also important is that you will be able to use multiple API keys for OpenAI, aiomatic API or stability.ai here. So as you can see, if you highlight the API keys, they will be shown, and if you add here a new line, you can write a new API key here, and the plugin will select a random API key each time it runs. Okay, so this is the new features of the plugin, the new feature that will be so added in the latest update, the limits and statistics, and especially this usage limit, and yeah, the OpenAI status. This is also something new here. The OpenAI status will show you the latest incidents from OpenAI's part, and this will be as a log that hey, currently there is slow performance on DaVinci and so on. Okay, so yeah, this is the latest update for aiomatic. As mentioned before, let me know if you have more ideas, suggestions for this plugin or for other plugins that I created. Currently aiomatic on discount. Click the link from this video description. You will be able to get the plugin from there. And yeah, this is all for today. I get back to work and create new features for aiomatic, as it is really a great plugin and I really enjoy working on it. Until next time, bye bye.